everyone, this is Dr. Lakshmi. Welcome to my YouTube channel. Do you have uneven lumpy skin over your abdomen, your hip, thigh or butt? Then this is a problem of cellulite. Cellulite occurs when the skin overlying certain areas of fat is pulled downward into the deeper tissues by connective tissue bands. This may be due to weak fat metabolism and due to weak connective tissues. This creates an uneven surface, and this is most commonly seen over your hip, butt, thighs or your abdomen or your breast, and this is mostly seen in women. That is because of their altered structure and because of their fat distribution. So what causes cellulite? Cellulite is caused by buildup of fat underneath the skin. The amount of cellulite you have and how noticeable it is depends on your genes, your body fat percentage and your age. Cellulite is more visible when you become aged, when your skin loses its elasticity and when the skin becomes thinner. The thickness of your skin also points out the visibility of your cellulite. In Ayurveda, cellulite occurs when the acne aspect of the body is malfunctioning and when the metabolism becomes sluggish. So by correcting the acne and medodhatu, that is fat metabolism, cellulite can be treated. And by improving the lymph circulation in the areas which are prone to cellulite, the cause of cellulite can be prevented. Cellulite is most commonly seen in women and those people who doesn't have a proper diet habit and those who take lot of fat and those who lack exercise, and in women those who are obese and mostly after pregnancy, and those women who are taking birth control pills, and due to some hormone imbalance also cellulite is more visible. So next, how you can treat this cellulite naturally. As I say always, you can treat cellulite or any other diseases with a perfect diet and lifestyle. You have to take lot of fruits, vegetables and healthy food and reduce all your high fat things and avoid deep fried things. Then you have to do proper exercise. Without correcting your diet and exercise, we can't completely get rid of cellulite. You have to hydrate yourself, drink enough water, try to drink warm water always, and do exercise. Minimum 30 to 45 minutes of exercise is must. And when you are exercising, you can do walking or jogging or cycling or even swimming, because all this help to burn your fat, especially over your thighs, your hip, your butt and your abdomen. And you can do some abdominal exercise also, and those who know how to do yoga properly, they can go for yoga also. And I will be telling you 3 steps that you have to do correctly to cut down your cellulite or to increase your fat metabolism. These 3 steps I will be explaining. The first step is a internal thing, that is a tea, a morning tea and an evening drink before going to bed. These 2 drinks you have to take continuously. And next thing is an external therapy. I will be explaining 3 external therapies, any one you can do. And after that, the third step is your diet and your exercise, which I have already explained. So first let me tell about the internal administration, that is the morning tea and the night drink. This is a morning tea you have to take at empty stomach once you get up. For making this tea, you have to need quarter teaspoon of fenugreek, quarter teaspoon of cumin. All powders you can take: quarter teaspoon of fenugreek powder, quarter teaspoon of cumin powder, quarter teaspoon of turmeric powder, quarter teaspoon of black pepper powder, a small piece of cinnamon and 1 clove. Boil it in 2 glasses of water and finally reduce it to half a glass of water and have at empty stomach once you get up. This helps you to burn your fat and it will fight against several causes of cellulite, and it will strengthen your weak connective tissue and improve your blood circulation and lower the inflammation. Next is the night medication. For this, you have to take 1 teaspoon of Trifaladi Churnam and mix it in half glass of warm water and have at night before going to sleep. Along with this, you can take 2 Shuddha Gugulu capsules. Trifaladi Churnam burns the fat from adipose tissue. It fastens your metabolic activity, reduce fat absorption, and removes metabolite from the body. It corrects the function of Kapha and Pitta and regulate the burning of fats. Whereas Gugulu is one of the most common herbal supplement to burn fat. It is very helpful in weight loss management and doesn't have any side effects in the body. Next, I will be telling about 3 external therapies, that is local therapies that you can do over your abdomen, your thigh, your butt or your hip. This you can do it yourself. The first one is a kind of application with Gotu Kola. It is a most common herb and it is mostly seen in all parts of India. You can collect some fresh whole plant of Gotu Kola. Gotu Kola is its Hindi name. In Malayalam it is known as Kodangal or Muyal Chevi, and its botanical name is Sandella asiatica. You will get the powder also over the online sites, but the fresh plant is more effective. You can collect the whole plant and make it as a fine paste without adding any water. If you want to add some water, you can add little bit of rice water and you can make it as a thick paste. It should be a thick paste, and you can apply over the cellulite areas, maybe over your abdomen, your thighs, your butt, or wherever you have. You can apply it there, and you can leave it for a span of 30 to 45 minutes. By that time it will become dry, and after that you have to wash off with hot water, and this will reduce your cellulite. It is excellent for burning the fat. It will improve the lymphatic circulation and it will tighten your connective tissues. This you have to do regularly for a span of 21 days to get the best result. The next external therapy is Udvartanam. It is a kind of Ayurvedic massage used for obesity, for increasing the lymphatic circulation and to reduce the cellulite. In this we will be using some dry powder of some herbs, and it will be applied in the opposite direction of the hair. And if you are telling Udvartanam can be done only with a proper trained therapist, and it is a kind of very vigorous massage with dry powder in the opposite direction of the hair. But here I am telling you an altered way where you can do it yourself. And if you are going to hospitals, there are a lot of herbs like Kolakulathadi Churnam, Kottam Chukadi Churnam, etc. for this purpose. But here I am telling a simple one, that is horse gram. Horse gram powder is an excellent one to burn your fat. You can just take a handful of horse gram or a bowl of horse gram and powder it very finely, and you can apply it over your abdomen, your thighs, your butt and your hip, or even on your breast. When you are applying it, you have to give little care. You have to apply it in the opposite direction of your hair. For example, if you are applying over your thighs, you have to do like this. I will tell you. Just take a handful of powder and just apply it over your legs, and you have to rub it like this in upward direction. Little bit of pressure you can give, and you can apply it upwards. It will, and you have to continuously do it for a span of 5 to 10 minutes, and technically speaking you can do it maximum up to a span of 15 minutes, and it will help you burn fat to increase the lymphatic circulation. Also over your legs you can do like this, and your thighs like this, upwards, opposite direction of your hair. And if you want to apply over your butt and your abdomen, means like this, in circular motion. In circular motion you can apply the powder in medium pressure for a span of 10 to 15 minutes, and over your breast also in a circular motion you can apply this for a span of 15 minutes. And one more thing you have to take care is that if those people who are having very dry, very sensitive skin, and those who are having some skin diseases like eczema, psoriasis or any kind of skin allergies, those people please don't do this method, because it will have some kind of allergic reaction over your skin. And one more thing, if you want to burn your fat, you should not apply any oil or anything before doing this massage, because entirely this is a dry powder massage. Then only your fat will get burned. And those people who are sick and those who have any kind of skin disease, please don't do this thing. And when you're doing this, make a comfortable position. When you are playing over your thighs or your hip, you can just keep a small stool, keep your leg in that stool, and slowly you can do this method. Don't vigorously do, try to do in a medium pressure, because this is doing by yourself. But if you are coming to an hospital and if a proper therapist is doing it, it is entirely different. But when you are doing it, do it in a medium pressure and do it continuously for a span of 21 days consistently. Surely it will burn your fat and there will be visible changes for your cellulite. And the last external therapy method is Udkarshana. That means using a raw silk glove or a dry brush or something. You can use raw silk gloves or linen gloves, or using a dry brush. You can just massage over your affected areas, that too in upward direction, very gently. And if you're using a silk gloves, do like this, as I said, over your thighs, your legs like this, over your hip and abdomen in circular strokes, in others upward stroke opposite the direction of your hair, using a silk gloves. It will help to exfoliate your skin, it will burn the fat deposit, and it will increase your lymphatic circulation. And the same contraindication, skin allergy, sensitive skin, dry skin, those people should not do this. And one more thing, Utkarshana is also a very effective method to reduce the cellulite, and this you can do it continuously for a span of 21 days, and once you have settled, you can do it at least like weekly, twice or thrice. Because the one more thing is that the silk gloves, I have checked over the sites and all, the Amazon and all, but it is a little bit costly. Like a pair of gloves is coming around 2000 Indian rupees to 3000 rupees. So those who can afford can do this, and it is a superb one, and it will exfoliate your skin very nicely. All these three methods which I said, the Gotukola paste or Utvartanam or Utkarsham, any one of the method you can try. Those who are having Gotukola in their home, they can try that, and those who are having horse gram, or you can buy horse gram, it is very cheap, they can try it. Or those who can afford silk gloves, they can try that one also. Any one of this will work, and you have to continuously use it for a span of 21 days, then only you will see visible changes. And all these three external therapies, what I said, you can do it before going to bath. And after doing this external therapy, surely you have to use hot water for washing that area, because it will increase the burning of fat and it will increase the circulation. And don't ever use or mix any oil for this treatment, because oil, it won't do anything here, because you have to burn fat. So finally, by doing all these methods, your cellulite can be bring down. That is with a proper diet, cut down your fat, avoid deep fried things, hydrate yourself, minimum 45 minutes of exercise. Along with this, try to take my morning tea and the night medication, and do any one of the external therapies. You will see visible results within a span of 21 days. I hope this video was useful, and if you are seeing my channel for the first time and if you like my videos, please subscribe to my channel. And if you have any doubts, you can put it in the comment box. Surely I will give you a reply. Thank you.